Hello guys, check out this simple yet effective strategy utilizing the URL file lockers to make money on platforms like Cpagrip like I am doing right now. And I would like you to stick on and watch this video to the end so you do not miss out on any important step or trick I'm going to show you right now in this video. So as we dive right into the video, the first thing which you actually want to do is to get a free PLR or a free ebook, and you can get that on any niche of your choice right there. You just need to focus on a specific niche that you're actually interested in. Maybe you could get PLRs from this platform called the idplr.com, or you may want to use this platform right now called the freeplrdownloads.com. And right now on this platform, you can see that there are a lot of niches you could just simply focus on. All you need to do is to go into selecting one of these niches that you want to just simply focus on right now, and actually go into creating some cool content for these niches. So just simply select a niche right here suitable to you, and I'm actually more interested in the weight loss niche. So if I come right here guys on that particular search section, and I actually going to type in something like weight loss right here, and I click on the search icon right now, it's actually going to go on to showing me some cool PLRs on weight loss. You can actually see this one right here, which is the weight loss and you. It's a very cool PLR. Maybe if I just select this one right here, it's going to take me to the page where I can just simply download that particular ebook on my mobile devices right there, be it a laptop or a phone right now, or my mobile phone right there. So if I scroll down to this section, click on download, I'll be able to download this ebook. Then you just need to go onto this platform called the mediafire.com to actually upload that ebook right here. So if you upload the ebook right now, as you can see, this is the ebook right here which says weight loss and you at the bottom section. So upload, just simply click on the upload icon, click on this plus, and you want to just simply navigate through your system to go on to selecting that particular ebook you want to upload, and just simply click on begin upload, and that will be uploaded on the platform. You can click on the link right here to copy the link to your clipboard for that particular ebook, or you can actually just simply come onto this three dots right now, click on copy link right here, and the link will be copied to your clipboard. Then you could head onto the CPA marketing platform you want to utilize. As far as that CPA marketing platform has a content locking capability, this is actually going to work for them right there. So you can use any CPA marketing platform of your choice, but I'm going to use Cpagrip right now. If I log into my account, as you can see, I'm logged into my account, and you want to get onto a page such as this, which is the URL file locker section. Now to get to this page, come onto this section that says monetization tools, click on that. A drop down list will be shown to you. Select the URL file locker option, come onto this section, click on create new URL file locker, agree to the terms of service, click on continue, and you can actually go on to pasting that locked URL in this section. Now once you paste in that particular link to this locked URL section, you can actually give this locker a name. Maybe I can actually give it something like weight loss, and I'm just going to go into the advanced section to actually go into selecting this particular file share option. Now if you come onto this section, go back to general, you want to just simply edit all these details right here, such as the file name, the size, the uploaded date, and the last downloaded date, to actually fit into the category of that particular offer right now, so that when people are actually brought to this section, you can go on to clicking on begin download before a survey will be shown to them where they can complete that, and they can actually go on to, or you actually earn some cool cash once they complete that, and they're gonna go on to gaining access to that particular locked content. So guys, what I'm going to do right here is, for this name right now, I'm just going to rename this to something actually related to that particular ebook, which is the weight loss and you. So if I do name it something like this, as you can see, that has actually been named. You want to come right here to this particular section, of which you can actually go to see the size of that particular file right here, which is 369 KB, that is a kilobyte. I'm just going to head back to my CPA marketing platform and edit that right here, which is 369. So once that has actually been edited, as you can actually do see in this section right now, the next thing which you want to do is to edit this date, to actually put something, a date quite recent. Maybe I'm going to put in something like this right now, and right here for the last downloaded date, you just need to put in something also recent. And if I do go on to put in something, maybe I want to just simply update the date to something like this. That actually looks quite better. Now once this is actually done right here, all you need to do is to click on the save icon. If you do click on save icon, this particular URL file locker will be generated. All you need to do is to click on get link right now. you can see the link to the URL file locker, copy the link and head on to creating a simple landing page. Now for the landing page, you can use platforms like Google Site to create one. Just simply click on this blank site. It's going to bring you to a page such as this, where you just want to delete this section. You want to add in a text box right now, and for that text box, guys, we're just going to add in something quite cool right there. So if I do type in something like this which says unlock your weight loss success, I'm going to make this bold. I'm going to go on to increasing the font size to, let me say, 36 right now, and I'm also going to go on to centralizing this particular text right there. So once this has actually been centralized, you want to go onto that ebook right here. Maybe I'm going to right click on this page. I'm going to saving the image on my device. Now once I just save the image on my device, the next thing you want to do is to head back to that landing page that you're creating. Click on this image icon, click on upload, and go on to uploading that particular image right now that you just simply downloaded. Now you can see the image has actually been uploaded right now. I'm just going to go on to cropping this right here. Maybe if I want to crop this, I can crop this to this based on my preference right now, or I can also go on to making the size quite bigger. And if I make the size bigger, I'm going to centralize this, as you can see right now. So the next thing which you want to do is just simply to go on to adding a text box at the bottom, and for that you want to type in something like this which says don't miss out on this exclusive guide for losing weight. Click the link below to claim your free copy now. So I can actually go on to increasing the font size also. Maybe I'm going to take this to something like 18 right now, and I'm also going to go on to centralizing this also. Then once it has been centralized, you want to come onto this section, click on button, and now you want to give this button a name right here to something like download now. So if I do put in something like this which says download now, head back to your CPA marketing platform, copy the URL file locker link, head on to this platform right now and paste the link right here in this section. Click on insert, and you can just simply drag and drop this in this section, and you can see how cool it actually looks like. Now when somebody click on this download now, it's automatically going to take them to my URL file locker for them to actually complete an offer before they can gain access to this content, and I'm just going to make some cool affiliate commission for directing people to do so. So the next thing which you want to do is to publish the page right now, and I'm just going to select a cool domain for this. So if I just select a cool domain such as this, but this is actually taken, so this should be okay right now. So I'm just going to click on publish, and I can go on to grabbing hold of the link to this particular landing page and go on to promoting that. Now to promote that, guys, you want to utilize platforms like YouTube. First of all, you want to go on to creating a YouTube account or a YouTube channel right there, of which you want to go on to customizing your channel right now. You could go onto the branding section right here. As you can see, I actually put in a very cool picture about working out right now. You also want to put in a very cool banner image right now, and that cool banner image, mine is actually the ebook right here, which I actually edited. I'm actually going on to Canva, edit a cool banner and insert right there. You can go on to the basic information and change your name to something quite cool. Change the handle right now. Maybe I'm going to change the handle to something about weight loss. So if I do change it to something like this right now, as you can see, this is actually not available, but this is available right now. So once that has been selected, you can see how cool it looks like. You can then just simply go into editing this section right now. Now you want to just simply edit this section to actually fit into that ebook right now. So you can see right here, it says, hey guys, subscribe and follow my weight loss journey on this channel. I've been using this ebook or this method in the ebook to lose a lot of weight. I will upload videos soon right now, and you can just simply put in something like click link below to download the ebook for free. And if you do put in something like this right here, you just want to paste in the links that particular landing page right now, and you could just simply click on publish. Now once anybody actually go on to clicking on the bio of or clicking on your account right now, or your page, going onto your channel page right now, they are actually going to go on to seeing all this cool stuff, of which they can go on to clicking on this link, which is going to take them to that particular URL file locker right there, or your landing page first of all. So all you need to do right now is just simply go on to YouTube right now, and you want to just simply go on to targeting some cool videos right here. Maybe something like how to lose weight fast, and you can see right here, you can just simply select this, how to lose weight fast. You'll be able to see a lot of cool videos right now. You could just simply go on to leveraging right now. So if I do go on to selecting a very cool video right now, maybe I'm going to select a video that has actually been posted not quite too long. You can actually filter that right now using the filter section. Now if I go onto the top section, I can actually filter this via clicking on this right now, and I want to just simply put in something maybe this week right now. That's actually video that have been uploaded this week. All I need to do right now is to just simply select the video. Now once you select the video right now, you just want to go onto the comment section and drop a very cool comment right now. You can drop a comment such as, my weight loss, this weight loss ebook actually helped me a lot in my weight loss journey, or this ebook helped me a lot in my weight loss journey. Then you could just simply put in something like check my channel for the ebook, or check my bio of my YouTube channel, or the description of my channel for the ebook right there. And if you put in something like that, a lot of people will be interested to go on to checking the channel or checking that particular description, to go on to clicking on the link, and that's actually going to drive them to that particular ebook which you are promoting right there, of which they can complete an offer, you make money, and they're going to gain access to the ebook. So it's going to be a win-win for everyone right now, and you can actually do this on as many videos as you can right there on such kinds of platform right now. But you want to make sure that, guys, that you're not promoting or posting the link on the comment section right there, because you'll be actually blocked, or that particular stuff, you might actually be breaching YouTube rules right there. So the main thing you actually need to do is to direct people to the bio of or description of that particular YouTube channel page right there. And if you do that, you can get a lot of cool cash with this simple strategy. So leverage this strategy and utilize that to make money online. If you're new to my channel, OJ Marketing, I make videos on ways to make money online, and if you like such kind of content, you can scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos to help you out. Don't forget also to hit the like button to the video. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel and your notification bell is always turned on all, so as to always get alerted whenever I do release videos to help boost your income online. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.